In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove voices on ElevenLabs video. By the end, you'll have a processed video from ElevenLabs with the original voice removed or replaced, ready to download and use. First, log in at ElevenLabs.io. On the home page, click Login, enter your details, and confirm. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard. Next, go to Voice Changer or your Video Project section. If you see Voice Changer in the navigation, click it to work directly with audio on your video. If you already have a project set up, open your video project from your workspace so you can make changes there. Now, upload the video containing the voice you want to remove. Click Upload. Locate your video file on your computer and confirm. If drag and drop is available, you can drop the file into the upload area. Wait for the upload to finish before moving on. You should see a preview or a confirmation that the video is ready. From here, select Remove Audio or Replace Voice. Choose. Remove audio if you want the original voice track muted in the output. Choose Replace Voice if you plan to swap the original voice with an AI voice. This selection tells ElevenLabs how to process the voice in your video, so make sure you pick the option that matches your goal before continuing. If you selected Replace Voice, upload a new AI voice or leave it blank to mute. Click to add the AI voice you want to use. Follow the prompt to upload or select the voice so ElevenLabs can apply it during processing. If your goal is simply to remove voices and create a silent result, leave this blank and the original voice will be muted in the final video. Take a moment to confirm your choice so the output matches what you expect. Once that's done, click Generate to process the video. ElevenLabs will begin analyzing the audio and applying your selection. You'll see a progress indicator while it works. Keep the tab open until processing completes. This step creates a fresh version of your video with the voice removed or replaced, leaving your original file on your computer untouched. At this point, download the final video without the original voice. When processing finishes, look for the Download button and click it. Choose the available format if prompted, then save the file to a folder you can easily find. If you selected Remove Audio earlier, the downloaded video will have the original voice track muted. If you selected Replace Voice and provided an AI voice, the downloaded video will contain that new voice instead of the original. To quickly review, you logged in at ElevenLabs.io, opened Voice Changer or your Video Project section, uploaded the video with the voice you want to remove, selected either Remove Audio or Replace Voice, optionally uploaded a new AI voice, or left it blank to mute, clicked Generate to process, and downloaded the final video with the original voice removed. Your ElevenLabs video is now processed, and the original voice has been successfully removed or replaced, and everything is ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.